TLC. The Light Connection is a leading manufacturer of American-made standard and custom cable and tubing for the fiber optic industry. With over 30 years of fiber optic cable design, application, and production experience, TLC is proud to offer riser, plenum, and low-smoke zero halogen products, all of which are RoHS compliant. TLC produces simplex, duplex, distribution, both indoor and indoor-outdoor, dry loose tube indoor-outdoor, ribbon, breakout, 24 fiber high-density micro-distribution and micro-distribution cables. For easy cable termination, TLC manufactures standard constructions and sizes of furcation tubing in all 12 standard colors. TLC also specializes in custom cabling. The company regularly manufactures customer-specific hybrid and composite cable configurations with unique jacket colors, print messages, and customized spec sheets. While offering a vast array of cable that contains specialty fibers, from single mode to large core multi-mode to plastic fiber, TLC has the ability to produce the exact cable to fit each customer's need. And being a channel partner with Corning Optical Fiber allows TLC to construct cable with Corning's latest fiber offerings. TLC also provides aluminum interlocking armoring for many of its standard cables. The armored cables are standard cables inside a spirally wrapped interlocking armor for enhanced crush resistance and ruggedness. Used in place of conduit, these armored products save in installation time and labor cost. Thanks to TLC's diligent proficiency and outstanding capabilities, the company has earned an ISO certification. TLC has recently completed an 11,000 square foot expansion, which allows for more extrusion lines and an enhanced layout. For the customer, this means greater custom capabilities, superior stock positions, and shorter lead times. Furthermore, with warehouses in New York, Georgia, Florida, Texas, and now on the West Coast, shipping cost and delivery times are dramatically cut. Recognizing the value of manufacturing expertise and timely service, TLC remains engaged with the needs of its customers and, in doing so, sets the pace for continued growth, quality, and excellence. TLC, bringing the light to your fiber connectivity.